All right, Maiza, Alhamdulillah, we're learning letters of Leen, right? Vowel and Yalin. Okay, this is here the rule is
Okay.
applying is vowel, right? And here it is Yalin.
Yeah.
Let's read with me. Ow,
Ow.
I.
I.
Perfect, mashallah. Let's read by yourself. Ow, I.
O. I.
Well done. Where is I? Let's find I. Six or seven? I.
7.
Seven. Oh my God, mashallah. Very good. Where is ow? Ow, ow.
6.
Six. And what is at number seven?
I.
MashaAllah. Well done, Maiza. And what is at number six? Yeah, you can do it.
O.
MashaAllah. Well done. Let me give you one more star. Very good, Maiza. Here we go. I think we don't have a place. Let's place it here. Okay. All right. MashaAllah. Well done, Maiza. You did a great job. Alhamdulillah. So this is Rau. This is I.
I.
Rau. I. Rau. I.
I.
Perfect. Well done, MashaAllah.